Não dá aqui procurar simples. Aqui está muito claro. Não, não chego baixo. Have it now. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. So today I'm just working a little on a diorama. Okay, from Minart. And just putting more life on the ground. And okay, trying some oils and see how it goes. So I'm working here a little on the stones. The stones are, for me, it's a little without life. Okay, not the stones on the road, but in some parts I'm going to put. So just like this. Just texting, sorry guys. Okay. So now let's start blending the colors. Okay, so what I see, this one, it's the dust. Okay, and I see if I put this first, the Starship Bay sludge. Okay, so on the rocks it's going to make almost like a highlight. So what I am trying to make, it's a different color. Okay, here. I'm just blending. So hello everyone. So on these works I'm very concentrating doing this, so guys, don't be mad if I don't answer. Okay, so you see what I'm doing, just random. Here it's very nice. Now I'm going to the dark brown, and let's see. Oops. But it's going to be on the rocks. So I don't want this all to be very dark. So let's see. Okay, it's not totally too much pigment. Okay, so I can go with more color. You see what I am doing? Just like dots. Okay. And with the dust color, it blends very, very, very well. Okay, I'm just trying to be random. It's awesome on this stone. Make it so natural. And I will try in some areas the green colors. Some times ago I made with the green, the oil brushes on the diorama, but today I make little different things. Okay. So normally when you finish your work, one week later you see and you say, yes, if I know I do this on a different way, yes, it's normal like that. So on this timer I'm going to put hello Paulo, how are you? I'm going to put this truck, this Soviet truck. Okay, it's open. Let me show on the other camera. So like I said, I have on the other right, on my left, I have another camera, and it's making with HD quality that I will put, okay. So now let's continue working on this. So I'm going to work on the wall, here on the top of the windows, and I have some parts of the bricks to work too. Okay, you don't see backwards. Okay, and I got here a big mistake on this, but I will make with the oils nicely, and on the walls too. Okay, so I got some mistakes here and I can resolve. So now I will let this dry a little. Okay, I have to work more on this area. And now I'm going to work on the walls. Okay, so for the walls I got summer soil. It's almost like ochre. I think I got the ochre, so you can see it's almost the same color. I got the yellow, but I think the yellow for here it's too. I got the Ammo yellow, it's a little better. Not this one. I got the flash colors, they are nice too for these. And I got here the medium soil. So I think for now, let's on the ground let it dry a little, then I will go with another perspective. So now I'm going to work a little on the walls. So let me, I'm going to use this bottle. Okay, and let me try show you guys. And I am here with the camera. Okay, I must put the camera. Sorry guys. So I'm using the other camera to working on this area. Yay! So let's see my hand. Yes, my hand is going to be on the way, but what can I do? So I'm going to try First, this one, the summer soil. I like the color, so I'm going to put some here. So when we try to resolve some problems, we need to blend the color. Okay, now ochre. Let's put some ochre on this. So I'm testing on this area. I'm working from the inside for the outside. So on this ochre, it's much more strong with the pigments. Good day to you, my friends. So let's try to see. Okay, much better. Now let's go with a little of the medium soil. Now I need the flat brush. I'm going to grab the number 6 flat brush. Thank you, Marcos. So here on the side I want this to be more dark. Oops. Brush on the ground. Yes, so this have a very nice coverage. So now I am blending. Okay, I don't want the marks of the brush. Let me see here. Okay, so some meshes, okay. Okay. Alright, mates. So it's like you are making on your models. It's very important not to leave the marks of the brushes. So you must blend it. You see here? So let's grab right here. So with the thinner, olá João, é verdade, nothing better. So I am removing the excess right now and then start blending. I'm going here on the top